देखिए, हम सिंपल सी बात बोलते हैं, हम किसी से भी मिले नहीं है। हम मिले हैं तो तेलंगाना की जनता से और भारत की जनता से। अब दोनों नेशनल पार्टी जो कहलाती थी, उन दोनों का यही डर है कि केसीआर साहब को देश की जनता ज़्यादा चाहने लगी है, तेलंगाना की जनता तो कैसे भी चाहती है, वापस सरकार में ला रही है, तो अलग अलग एलिगेशंस वो लगाएंगे। लेकिन एंड ऑफ द डे वी आर नॉट एनीबडीज बी टीम, वी आर तेलंगाना पीपल्स एंड इंडियन पीपल्स ए टीम। Brother, as I said, it looks like a TV serial, never-ending TV serial. So I have no idea what is happening with that. But end of the day, party legal team will advise us, and we will go through their advice. So it is not a big issue or a serious issue to be discussed. It is a politically motivated summon. We will take a legal recourse on that. ఎపిసోడ్ రిలీజ్ చేయడానికి ఏదో ప్రయత్నం చేస్తున్నారు. సో డోంట్ టేక్ ఇట్ సీరియస్లీ, ఇట్ ఈస్ జస్ట్ పొలిటికల్. వీ విల్ టేక్ లీగల్ recourse. Thank you. Well, I received a notice. We from the party legal cell, we have given it to the party legal cell. We will go by their advice, and we strongly believe that it is politically motivated because of the charged up environment in Telangana, upcoming elections. I think I got a notice, but unfortunate it is, in the last 1 year there is investigation happening. I don't know how long it will happen. I don't think even 2G spread for so long. So it is unfortunate, but yet it is political and highly politically motivated. So people of Telangana will not take it seriously. We will, as a party, as responsible public representatives, we will seek legal recourse. We have given it to the party legal team, and we will go by their advice.